I'm a PhD in Extension from PJDIU. I attended this Managed Dialogue in 2026. This is a very enriching experience to learn from the international scholars and fellows, and it has shown me a different lens to see the extension in a different perspective and to understand the extension from ground realities to international level. I enjoyed it thoroughly, and I have presented my research topic here, and I've learned a lot from this dialogue. Thank you.